Welcome back. We're looking at mass extinctions, and we're looking at some of the theories that scientists have put forward to explain or account for these mass extinctions. And it's becoming more likely to scientists that it's a combination of events that causes a mass extinction. One extinction theory that is put forward for the mass extinction at the end of the Cretaceous period is a meteor collision with Earth. We need to remember that a meteor is a mass of rock and dust moving rapidly through space, and of course if they collide with planets, they're going to cause massive destruction. And it's thought that at the end of the Cretaceous period, a meteor impacted with Earth. Now, I think you need to understand that the impact itself would have generated heat and energy which would have wiped out life for hundreds of kilometers around the site of impact. But that's not all. After the impact of such a massive body, a huge amount of dust is thrown up into the atmosphere, and that blocks the sun's rays. If the sun's rays are blocked, we get a resultant cooling of the atmosphere, which is going to slow or stop photosynthesis. No photosynthesis, no plants, food chains started to collapse. Also importantly, the impact of the meteor would have triggered earthquakes and volcanic activity on the opposite side of the globe. So if we had our globe, the Earth for example, with an impact site here with a meteor, on this side we're going to have volcanic activity. Layers of iridium found in rock strata coincide with mass extinctions, and iridium is a material that is found in meteors. Not all organisms are able to tolerate extreme changes in temperature, changes in their diet, lack of energy, lack of heat, and so extinctions start to occur. Remember, plants go extinct, so animals up the food chain also go extinct. Lack of photosynthesis doesn't only cut down on food chains, remember that we're also going to drop oxygen levels. Further effects of the meteor impact: worldwide fires, tsunamis, acid rain, large-scale destruction of habitats that would have made it impossible for certain organisms to survive. Now, scientists have also said that although there have been 5 mass extinctions over geological time, they have suggested that we're living at the moment in the middle of the 6th extinction, and that quite scarily this 6th extinction is not being caused by a meteor or volcanoes or continental drift. The 6th extinction is being caused by humans. They've plotted the rate of extinction to show that since about the 1900s, the rate of extinction, which is the number of organisms, in this case on this graph showing animals going extinct, is skyrocketing. This 6th extinction is as a result of the effect that humans are having on biodiversity. Humans are the only organism in the history of the Earth to have caused the extinction of other species of organisms. The 6th extinction then is the only extinction event to have a biotic cause, and that is the human. All the other mass extinctions have had physical causes: ice ages, volcanoes, meteors. It seems that the cause of this current extinction event, the 6th extinction, is the growing human population and the way humans manage, or more likely mismanage, the environment. As the human population grows, they need more space, so things like deforestation, taking away forest land, taking away natural ecosystems in order to create living space for humans in towns and cities, as well as croplands to make food for the growing human population is one of the major ways that animals and plants go extinct. Overexploitation of populations of different organisms in order to provide food for humans leads to extinction. Careless activities such as hunting or exterminating organisms because they pose a threat to human activity because we think that they are pests has caused the extinction of many organisms over the last 100 or so years. And of course, the way in which humans negligently cause pollution and pollute the atmosphere, pollute water and the environment causes extinction of organisms. Coupled with pollution, of course, is climate change. Excessive global warming causes the extinction of species that are very sensitive to climatic conditions. Interestingly, war and the use of nuclear weapons can cause the extinction of species living in war zones. And so it's a very scary thing to think about, but you could be living in the middle of the sixth extinction, and it's up to you to find ways to stop it. More after the break.